Hi guys, this is Sona. Yeah, I have just waken up. Um, what I wanted to tell you guys that, unfortunately Thursday there's not going to be a video. um, Mercury retrograde is working its best. I have not had any real sleep. I was dealing with leaks in my apartment all night, and hopefully I can get my computer back so I can upload some content and we can resume our schedule. Hey, Mercury retrograde is at work right now, but you know what? I can't do nothing but laugh. Um, but I just wanted to give you guys the heads up that um, there's not going to be a video tomorrow, and hopefully I can have something by Tuesday. It may be um, some older content, but it's always good content. And I, hmm, I, if I can get my computer by Friday, I'll be back up and running. Um, I am so tired and sleepy. Um, I mean, this is a beautiful apartment, but a pressurized pipe uh, busted on the fourth floor and trickled down. I have minimal damage, which I am so grateful. But the people above me, and actually the people above me, are basically brand new apartments. My apartment's not new. They've been doing some renovating, so these people had water all over the place. I managed to I had a pool, have a big bucket of water in my kitchen, but you know, things happen, and it's really how you respond to it. Um, and it's funny that my son called me out on that because I was really upset over a Postmates order because the person who was supposed to deliver it, it was a different person, and they wanted me to come down and meet them. So, for instance, the other night, Bridget was supposed to deliver my food, and it was a guy, and I'm like, I'm not going down there for a guy with all this other stuff that's going on. I mean, you know, I feel protected in my space, and like, look, deliver the stuff to my door and go on about your business. Um, so I know today I'm going to be dealing with maintenance men and all that coming in and out. I just want some sleep. As you can see, I'm in my bed. Um, but I just want to let you guys know I'm probably going to be off the radar and down because I'm getting a computer fixed. I'm in the process of getting a desktop built. I'm configuring that now, and um, but I wanted to give you guys this heads up. I am recording from my new phone. Thank you, Samsung. It's a Samsung S10. Um, and I will see you soon. Bye. I'm going back to sleep.